Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add support and resistance on TradingView. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in TradingView and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, we have all of the sections like products, community, markets, news, brokers, and more. Right here, you can see your accounts. You can go to the profile settings, accounts and billing, refer a friend, and so on. And from here in the search bar, you can search for any market. As you can see, guys, this is a list that includes all of the markets. You can also filter the list to only see stocks or funds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, or economy. Right here in the right side of your screen, you're going to find the watch list. You can also switch to the red list. You can import lists or you can create a new list. For example, I'm going to go to see the Apple stock chart like this. So it will take you to this page where there is an overview of Apple charts. From here, you can see all the currencies. You can see on the super charts. And as you can see, guys, this is the graphic. You can get widgets. You can also see by area or candles. You can take a snapshot and you can launch the full chart view. So we're going to click on launch full chart view and then you're going to be right here. As you can see guys, this is the graphic and you're going to find a lot of tools right here. You can add the trend line and so on. And right here in the top, you're going to find indicators. Go ahead and click on indicators. And all you need to do guys in order to add a support and resistance channel is go right here to the search and search for support. Just type support and you will find a lot of options. For example, I'm going to click on support resistant channels like this. Click on X and as you can see guys, it is added right now. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.